So as we move forward here to the next video, I want you to notice this is what I'm talking about, the tape. Now, this is a unit that doesn't have a combination lens or combiner lens that marries the red diode beam to it, so it's easier to see. But this is what I want the tape to look like. I want the burn to be into the center. Now, as you go through and look at it, say the beam's hitting those first mirrors coming back through and down. The gantry goes back and forth. The lens carriage moves on it, and that's how you control whether you're vector cutting or drawing or rastering or print etching. So motion system and optic systems move in concert with one another. So step 2 is we're going to bring that bridge all the way back close to this first mirror and shoot the second mirror. Bring it back in increments of 3 inches at a time until we can shoot the bridge, the dot pretty much in the same spot here and here. And where we're adjusting that is on these adjustment screws here. So 1 will move it up and down, 2 will move it left and right, 3 you can move it at an angle. So basically what you can do is take a Sharpie marker, and you notice the red light goes up and down. So you put a TB on that for top bottom, or up UB up and down, whatever indicated. An A for angle, an LR for left to right. And then when you get them in place, you mark them and see if anybody's moved your lens. Now there's also a retaining ring on the unit so where you can tighten them down. So as you go through, you're going to do the second one will be the second phase will be phase second 2A, which will be the bridge back and forth. 2B will be the carriage left and right. So you'll bring the carriage down here close to the first mirror, and you're adjusting this mirror. Where the other one, you're adjusting that first mirror to get to the second mirror, just the second mirror to get to the third mirror. Now once you have it to phase 4, or phase 3 rather, is you're going to go straight down through the last mirror, through mirror number 3, and you're going to put a little piece of tape on the nozzle, and you're going to push tape onto it so that you can see it, see the silhouette of it. So once you're down through there, then what will happen is once you're on the nozzle part, then you're checking to make sure that the beam is going to hit straight up and down so you don't curve things. You also don't clip off the edge of the nozzle, killing half your power. So the last part, last phase 4 is I'll put a half-inch piece of acrylic there. I'll turn my max power back from 15 to 95, and I'll hold the pulse button down, and it'll go straight down. And I'll make fine adjustments until that beam is penetrating that straight up and down. Then I'll lock everything in place, and I'm done. Like I say, if you get a little confused, there is the color PDF, and there's also a video here of one of my partners walking you through doing a beam alignment.